Good, Dad's getting ready to tack this thing.
I cleaned this golf ball up that we found in
Awesome.
drain. It's pretty cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to book out of here pretty quick, man, because Dad's gonna start welding.
Oh no, wait! Can I see what you've done so far?
See?
That's it.
Yep. You want to put the helmet on?
Weld it.
Hey, you want to put the helmet on?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
Where'd you weld it?
He hasn't welded it yet, man.
I didn't yet.
Oh, then how's it holding on?
The magnet.
Oh, I see that. Okay, I'll be outside. Okay.
The magnet. There we go.
Ow.
Little Bernie.
Yeah, I wore my boots today, but no long sleeves.
You can't win them all.
Let's see. Let's just do this.
Probably get the magnet to spread that gap if you need to, or you're just gonna.
Let me just go for it.
No guts, no glory, man. Got a wicked gap on the bottom.
Yeah, I know. Just want to get it how. It's got to be that way, so fill it in.
Yep. That's as far down as that would tip to it.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Hold on a second.